Hi everyone, welcome to Chapter 10 of our ICT Governance and Management course. Today, we are diving into a really important topic, ICT audits. Think of it as a digital health checkup for an organization. Just like we go for regular checkups to stay healthy, businesses need to audit their IT systems to stay safe, secure, and efficient. So, let's explore why ICT audits matter, how they are done, and what they help us to discover. An ICT audit is a structured process where we check whether a company's digital systems are doing their job. Are the systems running smoothly? Is sensitive data being protected? Are security controls like firewalls and passwords in place? An audit helps us answer all of that. In today's world, almost every business depends on technology. From customer service to financial management, everything involves IT. And if something goes wrong, a system crash, a hacker attack, or even a small virus, it can cost a company a lot. Not just money, but also trust and reputation. That is why audits are not optional. They help catch issues early before they explode into major problems. There are four main goals of an ICT audit. First, to check if systems are properly protecting the company's data. Second, to identify risks like outdated software or careless user habits and suggest ways to reduce them. Third, to ensure the company follows legal requirements about data privacy and IT standards. And fourth, to improve systems, making them faster, smarter, and more cost-effective. IT is not just a support function anymore. It is a strategic driver. ICT audits help ensure that IT is aligned with business goals. For example, if a company wants to improve customer service, the IT system should support faster responses and better tracking. Now, let's talk about preparation. Before an audit begins, both the auditor and the auditee must communicate clearly. Who is involved? What will be checked? What documents are needed? Here are the main areas to review. First, data center security, both physical and digital. Second, information security, confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Third, system development processes. Fourth, large software projects. Fifth, business continuity plans. Sixth, IT budgeting and governance. And lastly, change management systems. Here is a quick activity idea if you are learning this in a group setting. I want you to split into teams, auditors versus auditees. This scenario is your university's online portal keeps crashing. The auditors will investigate and the auditees will describe their processes. By the end, present two findings and suggestions. This helps you to understand how real audits are done. After the audit is complete, the auditor prepares a report. This is not just a list of problems, but it includes, first, clear descriptions of what is wrong. Second, a risk level, critical, major, or minor. Third, suggested solutions. And fourth, a timeline to fix each issue. You can imagine it's just like traffic lights. Red means urgent, yellow means important, and green means keep monitoring. And once the report is shared, the organization must take corrective actions. This might mean updating systems, improving security policies, or even retraining staff. And guess what? The auditor does not just walk away. There is often a follow-up audit to check if the recommendations were implemented properly. Let's look at how auditors actually perform their checks. They use two strategies. First, compliance testing. Are people following the rules? And second, substantive testing. Is the data accurate and safe? For example, if the company has a rule that says all software changes must be approved by a manager, so the auditor checks if that is really happening. To support their findings, auditors need solid proof. They collect evidence by first, reviewing organizational charts and policies. Second, studying system logs and user guides. Third, interviewing staff. Fourth, observing real-time operations. And lastly, doing walkthroughs from start to finish. By doing this way, they get a full picture, not just what is written in a document, but what actually happens on the ground. Alright, let's wrap up. In this chapter, you have learned first, what ICT audits are and why they are important. Second, how to prepare for one. Third, what happens after the audit. Fourth, how auditors gather evidence and ensure compliance. And lastly, how the findings helps organizations grow stronger and more secure. Thank you for watching. I hope this chapter gives you a better understanding of how ICT audits protect businesses and support better decision making. Keep learning, stay curious, and see you.